Now come sing with me, splashing water happily. Tiny bubbles, soft and white, make us clean and feeling bright. Wash, wash, step by step, clean our body, don't forget. Splash and smile, laugh and play, healthy habits every day. Wash, wash, step by step. First we wash our little hair, foamy bubbles everywhere. Rub so gently, nice and slow, rinse until it's clean and glows. Wash, wash, step by step, every bubble helps you bet. Rub and rinse, sing hooray, bath time fun is here today. Wash, wash, step by step. Next we wash our happy face, cheeks and chin with gentle grace. Little nose and little ears, splash away the sleepy years. Wash our hands with bubbly foam, fingers dancing all alone. Thumbs and palms and in between, now our hands are nice and clean. Wash, wash, step by step, happy smiles are what we get. Clean and fresh from head to toe, ready, set, now off we go. Wash, wash, step by step. Wash our arms from wrist to shoulder, every day we're growing older. Round and round the bubbles glide, tiny giggles by our side. Wash your tummy